Can you hear it? If you are very quiet, you can hear the whispers of your heart. You should follow your heart even if you are scared, because on the other side of fear is your dream. Never be ordinary. You are special and unique. Don't try to be anyone else but you. Spend time with people who see the best in you and lift you up. Be fearless. Your words and ideas can change the world. You can touch millions of people's lives by uplifting them. Never lose your bond with Mother Nature. Always stand up for those who can't speak for themselves. Their lives depend on you. Love has no borders. We are all in this together. It is all about love and kindness. Today is a new day and life is beautiful. Always believe something wonderful is going to happen. And most of all, keep smiling.